Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. So it is Tuesday, February the 20th. I believe it's the 20th. I could be wrong. It's the 20th. And I am not feeling the best. So I have been off of work yesterday and I am going to be off of work tomorrow just to really try to feel better. I just think I have a cold. I don't have the flu or anything like that. I think I've just been doing a lot. I just came back from a work trip. You know, when you're around a lot of people, I take the kids 4 to 5 nights a week. We are out of the house doing things. I'm working out. I'm doing taekwondo. They're doing taekwondo, errands. And it all just catches up with you at some point. So please forgive the fact that I don't have on makeup. My hair is not done. I really am not feeling well. But tomorrow is grocery store day. It is Wednesday. And our sales roll at Here's Teeter on Wednesday. So I thought I'd bring you along as I restock my freezer. So I wanted to show you guys how much we've eaten down pretty much in the freezer. And then we're going to go out to the garage freezer and pull some things into the house. And then, of course, we'll make our grocery list based on what's going to be on sale tomorrow. So let me show you what's in our freezer, and then we're going to bring some stuff in. All right, so here is what we have in our freezer. This normally is pretty full. But for us, this is pretty bare. We do have a couple of these Leland meals, but I don't think we're going to be eating these this week. And then I have all of my veggie baskets. So I have broccoli. I think we're going to do meatballs for dinner tonight. So I'm going to pull that out. I'm actually going to pull out some broccoli as well. So we're going to throw those in the sink. And we also have mushrooms. I was keeping those for a soup. We've got Brussels sprouts and then mixed veggies here. Then over here, my son, my oldest son, bought these Girl Scout cookies, and notice they are still in the package because we are not. We have some butter. He also bought this ice cream when I was not here, so this is going out. We have some Go-Gurt. We've got 2 things of ground turkey, and then just some steamed rice, which I may do the rice as well. I'm going to pull the rice out. So a couple of things there, and then I have 1 thing of butter. And then in this bottom one, I do have more veggies. So I've got more meatballs, more broccoli, lots of broccoli and Brussels sprouts, and then 1 thing of cheese tortellini. So we are going to go out, in this one, which is another basket, more broccoli, and then some salami or some deli meat. So we're going to go out to the freezer. We're going to go out to the freezer to see what we can transfer out. I may take these out to the freezer and bring some other things in. Also in the door, I have some broth that can actually go out to the deep freeze that doesn't need to be in here. So we'll show you what we're able to swap out and what we'll bring into the house in just a minute. Okay, we're out in the garage now, and this is our outside deep freeze. We just have a regular chest freezer. I would like to look into getting a stand-up one at some point, but that's not what we have now. So I'm going to open it and see what things I can take out to take into the house freezer that would be beneficial. So right off the top, I do see some chicken breasts. These are in small cuts, so I think I'm going to pull this out. Jackson, hand me a basket. And I'm just going to get Jackson to hand me a little basket, and this is the one I'll use, and just fill it up and put it for all the things that we're going to take inside the house. So I think we'll do the chicken breast. That'll be good. We have a lot of cheese. I always try to get cheese. I'm going to take the popcorn shrimp inside for the kids to have. I'll make those ahead for some lunches. We have more cheese. More cheese. These are chicken thighs. I think I'll take those in. I also have some turkey breasts, 99% fat-free, which are going to be 0 points on Weight Watchers, and I want to do some stuffed turkey breasts. So I'm going to take this inside as well. Okay, I have another thing. This is a creamy garlic sea-pack shrimp. I'm going to pull this out. And I got another thing of chicken breast cuts I'm going to take inside the house as well. So that's 4 different types of meat. We still have plenty of meatballs that we got when Super Doubles. We got a big old ham that I'm not ready to take in the house yet. We brought the broth out, so I'm going to stick that in there. thought I had more veggies, so I don't seem to really have a lot of veggies. So that may be a focus for shopping this week, would be veggies, because normally I try to keep veggies on hand. That's just the broth we had, and we're just going to sit that in there. I'm going to move some of this cheese over. Let's see what we have in here. Okay, 2 sweet potatoes. Oh, we've got turkey pepperoni. We'll take that in the house. That'll be good. Let's see. Oh, these were the things we got after Christmas sale. So I bought those couple of things for baking. But I don't think I'm going to take anything else out of there. Put those cheeses back in there. Those 2 sweet potatoes may come in handy. I might want to take them inside. We've got rolls. We've got chicken breast strips. I might take this in. And we also have bacon. Do we have bacon in the house? No bacon. Okay, so I'm going to take a pack of this premium bacon from Harris Teeter, which was on sale, I think, last week. So I've got a pretty good... Oh, let's see what else. Oh, that's more. Oh, well, darn. Okay, this is tilapia. Fresh tilapia that I got on special at Walmart. I'm going to take this in the house because I'd like to eat that. That's going to be 0 points in... I don't think I'm going to take the chicken in because I'm taking the shrimp in. So I'm going to leave that chicken out here for next week. And then I think that's pretty much all. So veggies is really what I need to focus on getting at the grocery store. So we're going to take our stuff into the house and pack the freezer for this coming week. Okay, so we've made it back in the house now, and I'm going to just fill in with the items that I was able to get out of the freezer. I've got 2 of the chicken breast cuts and 1 of the turkey breast. Put those in there. Here's another chicken breast. Let me take the C-pack. Those are the shrimp. And then I have the other garlic shrimp and the tilapia. And then I'm going to put the bacon and the turkey pepperoni in the fridge. Okay, everybody, there it is. So we have cleaned out the freezer, gone out to the outside freezer, brought some things in. I've actually went in and cleaned up the fridge. We have a lot of almond milk, so I'm going to see if there are any friends who need almond milk this week, or take some to work, but I have a lot in this refrigerator. I'm going to sit down and do a small grocery list for this week. We should not need a lot, mainly fresh, so I'm going to figure out what fresh we need. I do know we need bananas and strawberries. I've got a pineapple I need to cut. But again, I'm not feeling very well, so I'm going to go and rest now for a little while. But anyway, thank you so much for stopping by our channel. If you like this video, be sure and give us a thumbs up. Just as, hey, we liked your video. If you're new around here, hit the red subscribe button. We'd love to keep you a part of our YouTube community, and also hit the little bell. That way you never miss an upload from us. Thank you again so much for stopping by our channel as we cleaned out our kitchen freezer. And until next time we clean out, bye.